Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by dividing both sides by x squared. So these two cancel out, and I get x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So I get x to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 1. Now from here, I'm going to take the ln on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x minus 2 is equal to ln of 1. Now if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, this is equal to b times ln a. So I can move x minus 2 to the front, and I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to ln of 1 is 0. So now I get two equations. I get x minus 2 equals 0, and ln of x is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. That simply means x equals 2. That's a simple equation. And for ln of x equals 0, I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. These two cancel out from my left-hand side, so I'm left with x is equal to e to the power of 0, which is 1. So these are my two solutions. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 27. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite this as x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And now from here, this is the same thing as x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. Which is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 squared. Because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. Now from here, I get x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of the cube root of 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. And this is equal to the cube root of 3 to the power of the cube root of 3 to the power of 6. Meaning x is equal to the cube root of 3 because it's in the form x to the power of x to the power of 6. So x in this case is the cube root of 3.